What is meditation? In the following video, we are going to give you 10 tips so you can have a good meditation session. Stay with us. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, activate the bell and like if you want more videos like this one. Sit for just 2 minutes. This will seem ridiculously easy, to just meditate for 2 minutes. That's perfect. Start with just 2 minutes a day for a week. If that goes well, increase by another 2 minutes and do that for a week. If all goes well, by increasing just a little at a time, you'll be meditating for 10 minutes a day in the second month, which is amazing. But start small first. Don't get caught up in the how, just do. Most people worry about where to sit, how to sit, what cushion to use. This is all nice, but it's not that important to get started. Start just by sitting on a chair, or on your couch, or on your bed. If you're comfortable on the ground, sit cross-legged. It's just for 2 minutes at first anyway, so just sit. Later you can worry about optimizing it, so you'll be comfortable for longer, but in the beginning it doesn't matter much, just sit somewhere quiet and comfortable. Check in with how you're feeling. As you first settle into your meditation session, simply check to see how you're feeling. How does your body feel? What is the quality of your mind? Busy? Tired? Anxious? See, whatever you're bringing to this meditation session is completely okay. Count your breaths. Now that you're settled in, turn your attention to your breath. Just place the attention on your breath as it comes in and follow it through your nose all the way down to your lungs. Try counting 1 as you take in the first breath, then 2 as you breathe out. Repeat this to the count of 10, then start again at 1. Come back when you wander. Your mind will wander. This is an almost absolute certainty. There's no problem with that. When you notice your mind wandering, smile and simply gently return to your breath. Count 1 again and start over. You might feel a little frustration, but it's perfectly okay to not stay focused, we all do it. This is the practice and you won't be good at it for a little while. Don't worry too much that you're doing it wrong. You will worry you're doing it wrong. That's okay, we all do. You're not doing it wrong. There's no perfect way to do it, just be happy you're doing it. Don't worry about clearing the mind. Lots of people think meditation is about clearing your mind or stopping all thoughts. It's not. This can sometimes happen, but it's not the goal of meditation. If you have thoughts, that's normal. We all do. Our brains are thought factories and we can't just shut them down. Instead, just try to practice focusing your attention and practice some more when your mind wanders. Stay with whatever arises. When thoughts or feelings arise, and they will, you might try staying with them a while. Yes, I know I said to return to the breath, but after you practice that for a week, you might also try staying with a thought or feeling that arises. We tend to want to avoid feelings like frustration, anger, anxiety, but an amazingly useful meditation practice is to stay with the feeling for a while. Just stay and be curious. Get to know yourself. This practice isn't just about focusing your attention, it's about learning how your mind works. What's going on inside there? It's murky, but by watching your mind wander, get frustrated, avoid difficult feelings, you can start to understand yourself.